Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a really cool hack for accessory adjustments and dress to impress. So basically, if you want to go below the y-axis, you're able to do that by jumping. I'm going to show you an example using these bows, maybe. Um, so basically, this is how low they'll go, and I want to put them on like the actual shirt here. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to jump and slide. Jump and slide. See, it does kind of go down, jump and slide. Jump and slide. It does take practice, so just be patient. It took me like a few minutes to do this, so okay, hold on. I haven't gotten the rhythm yet. I'm sorry guys, but see, it did go down by me jumping and sliding. Look, it went down. I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit so you guys can see the bow. Maybe I should change the color of it. But there we go. That's the adjustment hack for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.